one of the world's most enthusiastic shark conservationists, is here in Dubai at the moment to tell us why they're so important and so misunderstood. Stay with Emirates News to find out more.
Welcome back. Now, sharks have suffered some very bad PR over the years, but this weekend that's about to change. The Lost Chambers Aquarium at Atlantis is hosting a family fun day tomorrow to teach people, young and old, how important sharks are to the health of the entire planet. Noni Edwards has more.
When many people think of sharks, this terrifying image comes to mind, largely due to the success of the Jaws films. But Hollywood has a lot to answer for. It's created a widespread fear of these creatures that stopped us understanding how important they are.
Sharks are something everybody fears because they don't know enough about them. I was also very afraid of sharks before I started working with them, gotten the knowledge.
The marine team at Atlantis is trying to change those perceptions, offering opportunities to watch them swim and even dive with them. One of their well-known residents was Sammy the whale shark, who was also misunderstood, some believing she was mistreated while in the care of the marine team.
It was a real privilege for us to be able to work with such an animal, because none of us had ever worked with a whale shark before, so it was a real privilege. And to see her going from when she came in to when she left, looking fat and healthy and whatever, it was a great honour for all of us, and we're really happy with the work that we managed to do with her.
Facilities like these help educate people about sharks, their habits and how to preserve them, and that is crucial to our own survival.
It's very important to do shark conservation. There's less than 10% of any shark species left, and if the sharks are gone, our whole ocean will change, and it won't necessarily support human life anymore.
The trade in shark fin, considered a delicacy in Asian cultures, is something that needs to be balanced. The UAE is the 5th largest exporter of shark fin in the world, but they're mainly re-exports, and there's a complete finning ban in the UAE during the peak breeding season from January to May. The marine environment in the UAE's Gulf waters is unique. It's an enclosed body of water that's very shallow, with high salinity and a great variation in temperature.
A lot of people expected there to be very few shark species that would actually be able to survive in this type of environmental conditions, but I've been able to confirm 30 species already, so it's very exciting in terms of biodiversity of sharks here.
Rima's work in the UAE researching sharks and their products may have led her to a scientific breakthrough, the discovery of some new species right here in Dubai, but will need to be patient.
Sometimes it takes 2 to 3 years to be able to actually describe a new species, so it's time consuming, and scientists, taxonomists in particular, actually like to have the right information before they can actually go out there and name a new species, but I'm hoping that it is.
And perhaps in that time we'll all know a lot more about these creatures of the deep.
And come and speak to people like myself and other experts, get educated, and hopefully all of us together can make a difference for our oceans and the planet.
So if fear is preventing us understanding the importance of sharks and education is the key to understanding, then why not come down to Atlantis this weekend for one of the special events to learn a little bit more about these misunderstood creatures from the experts. Noni Edwards, Emirates News.